So you invested your money in Bitcoin and you think you are smart, you think you are intelligent, you think you have done the right thing. Bro, you have no idea. If investing your money in Bitcoin makes you happy and makes you feel you have done the right thing, bro, I can only tell you that you are not smart. You are not cryptocurrency smart. You are not crypto smart. You are not crypto intelligent at all, not even for 1 second. Let me tell you why. What makes you think that Bitcoin is going to do miracles for you?
You are watching ObiCrypto. Subscribe now.
Are you okay? Let me tell you something. Do you know how much it will take for Bitcoin? Okay, let's even start from this. Let me start from this side. The richest man in the world, how much is he worth? The richest man in the world is worth around $300 billion. Right? $300 billion. Now, let me ask you, how much will it cost Bitcoin to move 5%? It will cost over 55 billion United States dollars to move Bitcoin, to shift Bitcoin by just 5%. So for Bitcoin to shift from zero, or from just for Bitcoin to just add 5% to its current value, I don't care whatever the value is right now today, but for Bitcoin to just add extra 5% to its present value, Bitcoin needs $55 billion. Who and who is going to raise that money? Are you asking yourself that question? Where is those billions going to come from that will shift Bitcoin to 5%? So, because here's the thing, for you to make 5% of your money, right, of your investment in Bitcoin, it means that Bitcoin needs to move upward of 5%. Bitcoin needs to go up 5% in profit. That is when you can cash out 5% of your money, right? It will require $55 billion for Bitcoin to move 5%. Now, for Bitcoin to go 10%, because if Bitcoin goes 5%, it means whatever amount of money you have invested in Bitcoin will also increase by 5%. Now, for Bitcoin to grow by 10%, it means whatever amount of money invested in Bitcoin will also grow by 10%. Now, for Bitcoin to go up by 10%, people need to invest up to $110 billion into Bitcoin for Bitcoin to go up 10%, in order for you to also gain 10% in your money. Now, do you think that is something that can happen in a single day? Bro, are you okay? As in, have you sat down, look yourself in the mirror and tell yourself how is it possible for this to play out? Yes, I understand for those of you that want to rush to the comment section and start dropping all sorts of things. I understand that the crypto world is crazy and anything can happen. But bro, let's go out of the crazy crypto world. Let's think with common sense. Do you think that 110 billion naira can come into the cryptocurrency in a single day? My brother, if you have a cryptocurrency that is only worth $1 billion, in order for you to move that cryptocurrency by 5%, right, it will only cost $50 million. Now, a single cryptocurrency billionaire can single-handedly remove $50 million, and that particular cryptocurrency will move by 5%. The same thing applies. That same billionaire can put in $100 million, and that particular coin will move 10%, and you will make 10% of your money. So it will be easier for you to make such amount of money in low cap cryptocurrency than you investing your money in a large cap cryptocurrency. So when you're talking about thinking, okay, you want to pump your money into Bitcoin, do you know the market cap of Bitcoin as of today? The market cap of Bitcoin as of today, being the 8th of July, the 8th of July 2024, the market cap of Bitcoin is about 1.1 trillion US dollars. So in order for you to move Bitcoin, if you want to shift the price of Bitcoin by 5%, you will need 55 billion. Goodness. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. $55 billion. I'm talking about B. $55 billion needs to come into Bitcoin to shift Bitcoin by just a tiny fraction of 5%.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.
Guys, where do you keep project like Toncoin, project like Solana, project like Bitensor? As in, bro, if you think investing your money in Bitcoin is a smart move, then I think you are thinking from your underside. You need to refreshing yourself and think straight, bro. All right? That's not how money is made in the crypto world. If you want to learn, subscribe and follow ObiCrypto. I'll see you in the next video. ObiCrypto over and out.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, let's just be real.
You are watching ObiCrypto. Subscribe now.
This is not a financial advice. Do your own research.